Welcome to the Progressive Snapshot Overview, the full easy guide for 2025. A Progressive Snapshot captures incremental states to speed up loading and updates. It reduces load time, simplifies rollbacks, and improves developer feedback loops. 3 core parts: Snapshot Generator, Lightweight Diff Engine, and Snapshot Cache. Think of snapshots as layered sketches that stack and update progressively. Now let's walk through the simple step-by-step workflow you can follow today. Step 1. Capture a baseline snapshot of your app state and assets. Step 2. Compute small diffs between versions using the Lightweight Diff Engine. Step 3. Store diffs in a version cache for fast retrieval. Step 4. Progressively apply diffs to render the smallest first, then refine. Tip: keep snapshots compact, validate on updates, and monitor cache hit rates. Start with a small feature, test a snapshot flow, and iterate. Your speed will improve.